Hey guys, real quick little motorhome video here. So this is all about just the process that we're in with trying to get the motorhome fixed from the damages we sustained for the awning and the paint and stuff here and the fiberglass in Hot Springs over Easter weekend when we had some bad storms come through. So if you're not interested in the motorhome, no worries. This is not for you, obviously, but there's plenty more coming real soon, so we understand that. But as I said in the first video, we were going to keep you informed of the process that we're going through dealing with the insurance companies and the repair shops on trying to get the motorhome fixed. And as you can see, it's still sitting in the driveway right where it was. We just sealed up all the holes here with some seam tape, just to keep them from the weather. And while it is sitting here, well, that was a prime time to go ahead and, well, start polishing wheels. It's a dirty job, but somebody has to do it, right? Where we're at right now is we have contacted the insurance company. We filed the claim. We've had the initial inspection from the adjuster, all by video, photos, and everything like that. We have talked to the paint and body shop. All they do is custom motorhomes, where they're going to be repairing the motorhome. That's up in Nacogdoches, Texas. It's called Extreme Paint and Graphics. Talked to a gentleman up there. Great people. They have a great heritage. I did a lot of research on them just to look up their background. They come from Prevost and custom painting large 18-wheelers and stuff for the NHRA. So they have a great pedigree. I looked at some of their work. They do fantastic work. So it's going to be going to two separate shops. Extreme Paint and Graphics is going to handle the outside, and then it's going to go to Motorhomes of Texas for all the mechanical install, like the replacement awning, the wiring, the switches, and the interior damage that we got from the water. It just peeled some wallpaper, so we're going to have all that replaced. The inspection from the adjuster. Poor guy. So the initial dollar amounts between the two shops, they estimated pretty close to each other. They're estimating somewhere between $15,000 to $18,000 to fix it all. The insurance came back with $2,700. I know it's a significant difference, but in the defense of the adjuster, he did say that he knew that the the estimate was not going to be totally accurate. And I expected totally accurate to be a little off, but I mean, we're talking about $2,700 to nearly $20,000. But I talked to the paint shop and told them, I sent them a copy of the estimate also, and the guy up there assured me, don't worry. He said, we're used to dealing with this. They have dealt with our insurance company before. They're really well to work with, and they understand that once they get into fixing it, that there will be a lot of supplementals to get all that fixed. So the quick update is, today is April the 26th for real time, and we will not even be able to get the motorhome into the paint shop until August the 22nd. That's how far out it is to even try to get it into the shop to get it repaired. And then even after all that, which I don't know how long that'll take to fix, but even after that, then it's still got to go to Motorhomes of Texas and get all the other stuff done, and we are looking at probably well into September for that. So here it is, the end of April. It'll be well at the end of August on into September, October before we'll actually have the motorhome fixed and back to us. So it's a lengthy process, but that's where we're at. And as we learn more details and more information about it, we'll keep sharing it with you. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. Like I said, we're going to keep you involved in what we're dealing with the insurance companies, which so far has been really good, with the exception of the estimate differences. But again, the adjuster said that. We knew that. And we'll get it in and get fixed. So once we get it up to the shop, we'll show you all what's going on there. So till the next update, see you later.